Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer because we have number 0. So in this one we just find only complementary solutions. So I will put about yc equals to e to the power of lambda s. Later that we need to do first the derivative of yc, and we have lambda e to the power of lambda s. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we keep the same e to the power of lambda s. Later that we need to do first the derivative of lambda s. You got lambda. Now we go to third and fourth derivative. So that should be about lambda to the power of 3 e to the power of lambda s. And the last one. So we have this one. And now I will put this one go in here. This one go in here. This one go in here. And this one go in here. So we have like this. Now e to the power of lambda s, we can do about factorization. Now we need to find the solutions of this one. So if we find a solution, we need to do about factorization in here. This one we can do about factorization by lambda to the power of 3. So this one we put like this. So this one we can use about identities. So we have lambda plus 1 equals to number 0. Lambda plus 1 equals to number 0. And this one equals to number 0. And now we have the solution in here. So after we have this one, we have y equals to yc. And we have C number 1. That is about the constant number 1 e to the power of negative number 1s. So we need to change lambda into negative number 1. C number 2, because negative number 1 they repeat again, so we need to put s e to the power of negative s. And C number 3, e to the power of 1 over 2 s. So in this one we have the complex number in here, so this one we can transform into trigonometry. So that should be about cosine of the square root of number 3 over number 2s. And the second one, C number 4, e to the power of 1 over 2 s sine of the square root of number 3 over 2s. And this is the final answer we need to write. This is the end. Thank you for watching.